In today's video, I'm going to teach you Remitly Money Transfer to India, how to use. If you want to send money to India using Remitly, this process is quite straightforward once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can move from opening your account to completing your transfer with confidence. To get started, open your Remitly account. If you already have access, simply sign in and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Before sending anything, it's always a good idea to double-check that you're using the correct account and that your app or browser page is fully loaded so all options appear properly. Once you're inside, look at the country option at the top of the screen and select India. This is an important step because it tells Remitly where the money is going and helps load the correct transfer options, delivery methods, and recipient details for that destination. After selecting India, click Send Money. This will take you to the transfer setup area where you can begin entering the details for your payment. At this point, if the recipient's contact is already saved in your account, you can simply click on that contact to continue. This saves time and reduces the chance of entering information again. If the person is not yet saved, click New Contact and select their country. Make sure this information is correct, since the country setting affects how the transfer is processed and what details are required next. From there, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to review the amount carefully. You'll usually be able to see the transfer total and, depending on the platform screen, details related to the receiving amount as well. Entering the correct amount is important, so the transaction matches your intention before you move forward. Next, select the delivery method. The method you choose will determine how the recipient gets the money, so be sure to choose the option that matches their preference and available receiving method. After that, select the payment method you want to use for the transfer. Once you've chosen it, click Continue. You'll then be asked to enter the recipient's account details and follow the prompts shown on your screen. This is where accuracy matters most, so type carefully and review each field before submitting. As you go through the final prompts, take your time and confirm everything is correct, especially the recipient information, amount, and delivery method. Once all details are entered and verified, you can proceed to complete the transfer. And that's how to use Remitly to send money to India in a simple and organized way.